don't know why we really decided to go for this trip. Maybe it was just our need to see what's gonna happen without really expecting anything. We started in Camara, and that's where we started our trip on GR34. It was our first day walking. I remember that this day we already did many kilometers. Everything was quite new and fascinating to me. All the cliffs and the beaches.
Breathe in and breathe out.
As we were passing by many different landscapes. Sometimes we could walk by kilometers surrounded by pink flowers, not even to see the sea, just be surrounded by the pink color.
You don't lose your balance! It's not the moment!
Sometimes I was scared to lose my balance, as my bag was very heavy and the stones were quite sharp. I didn't have very good shoes. We never knew what to expect. Is it gonna sun or rain? Sometimes it could rain and change just after 5 minutes into a big sun.
Do you want me to smile now?
As we were walking, we passed by one of many beaches on the way, and I saw many shells, different kinds that I never saw before in my life. And one of them was very special to me, as I think it was a crab's shell. As you walk, you can realize the history that was happening here before. It is a very interesting mix of bunkers, monuments to remember the Second World War, and the prehistoric stones. Doing a walk like this with someone close to you makes a big difference. Even if it was the end and I was supposed to feel happy for finishing and aiming our final goal, actually I was feeling not very enthusiastic to make the next steps.
Good work.